Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into a simple yet essential replacement for Ford F-Series owners out there, the Panasonic CR2450 battery. If you're like me and dread the hassle of service appointments just for a battery replacement, then you're in luck. This little CR2450 battery is your solution. Let's talk compatibility first. It's specifically designed for Ford F-Series models from 2018 to 2021, including the F-150, F-250, F-350, F-450, and F-550. If you have a push-button start or intelligent access smart key fob remote, this battery is tailored for your needs. Installation couldn't be easier. No need for a technician or intricate tools. Just pop open your key fob according to your owner's manual, swap out the old battery with this original CR2450, and you're good to go. It's a quick and painless process that saves you time and money. Now, let's talk specs. This battery comes straight from Panasonic, a trusted brand known for reliability. With an ergonomic design, it fits snugly into your key fob without any hassle. Plus, it supports a maximum of one device, ensuring compatibility without any compromises. So, why should you consider this battery replacement? Well, it's all about convenience and peace of mind. With this Panasonic CR2450, you can avoid the frustration of a dead key fob battery, ensuring that your Ford F-Series remains accessible at all times. In conclusion, if you're a Ford F-Series owner looking for a hassle-free battery replacement solution, look no further than the Panasonic CR2450. It's reliable, easy to install, and keeps your smart key fob running smoothly. Say goodbye to service appointments and hello to uninterrupted access to your vehicle. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.